What's that?
Next break, I'm going to Steamboat, Colorado, so I need to learn how to.
Oh, good. Man, I'm jealous. I'd love to go to Steamboat.
We haven't really planned it.
3, 2, 1. Stand up and go forward. Straight down. That's it. Beautiful. And to the right. Yeah. Very good. Hey, very good. I have my camera on. I can't believe it. Did I miss? Whoa, I'm getting out of his way. He's dangerous. Make your turn. You guys. Okay, let's go that way. Good. Okay, keep those hands forward. Now going through a wedge turn. And now carve. Stay tall, stay tall. Okay, now we can start carving. Carve, carve, carve this way. Now, carve that way. Now carve this way. Now carve that. That was the best. That was the best one I've seen it yet. That was a good one. Okay, gotta go up there and get it. Did you see it? Did you see it? But you like stepped right out of your ski. So you were going too fast. Okay, let's go. Yeah, you gotta go. Okay, let's do it. We got the whole hill to ourselves. Let's do this. Here we go. Now carving. Now I'm going to go into a wedge turn and carve. Yeah. Wedge turn and carve. That's it. Okay, hands in front. Wedge turn and carve. Very good. Carve the other way. Stay forward. Did you want to learn how to ski backwards? Because it's fun. You okay, Cooper? Okay, follow me, right behind me. Close, close, close. Here we go. Hands out front. Okay, wedge, turn, now carve to get some speed up. Now carve the other way. Yeah, get your speed up. Carve that way. Turn here. Woohoo! Was that cool or what? It really was. You guys are great, man. Well, let's go find your parents. They're probably what, having dinner? Something like that, okay. Oh, there you are. Well, I don't know if you saw them. Well, did you see that last run? Man, look, they are my new poster children. Seriously,